Hi everyone, James Charles here. And let me tell you, sister, I am so excited to be kicking off this makeup journey with all of you beginners out there. Today, I'm going to share some crucial makeup hacks that every beginner should know. Get ready to slay, because these tips are going to totally transform your makeup game. And to make it even more special, we've got some romantic tunes playing in the background. Because honey, when you're learning how to blend like a pro, you deserve to feel like you're in a music video. So grab your brushes, your palettes, and let's dive right in. Okay, babes, let's talk foundation. Finding the right shade is like finding your soulmate. It's a game changer. So how do you find your perfect match? First, forget about testing on your hand. That's so last season. Instead, swatch foundation shades along your jawline. See which one disappears seamlessly into your skin tone. That's your match. And don't be afraid to mix and match shades, especially if you're in between shades or if you tan easily. Remember, makeup is all about having fun and experimenting, so don't be afraid to play around. Now, when it comes to foundation formulas, there are so many options to choose from. If you're new to makeup, I recommend starting with a lightweight, buildable formula. This will give you a natural finish that's easy to blend. You can always add more coverage if you need it. All right, gorgeous, let's move on to eyes. Don't be intimidated by eyeshadow. It's all about blending, baby. Start with a neutral shade all over your lid. This will act as your base. Then take a slightly darker shade and apply it to your crease using windshield wiper motions to blend it out. And remember, blending is key. You don't want any harsh lines. For beginners, I recommend sticking to matte eyeshadows. They're super easy to work with and they create a beautiful, natural look. Once you've mastered the basics, you can start experimenting with shimmery and glittery shades. Now let's talk eyeliner. This can be a little tricky at first, but trust me, practice makes perfect. Start with a pencil liner. It's the easiest to control. Draw a thin line along your upper lash line, starting from the inner corner and working your way out. Sisters, listen up. Good brushes are a game changer. They make all the difference in how your makeup applies and blends. I know it can be tempting to use those tiny sponge applicators that come with some eyeshadow palettes, but trust me, they won't do your makeup justice. Invest in a few key brushes like a fluffy blending brush for eyeshadow, a flat brush for foundation, and an angled brush for brows. And don't forget to clean your brushes regularly. Dirty brushes can harbor bacteria, and nobody wants that. Plus, clean brushes will help your makeup look flawless every single time. Let's talk about lips. Applying lipstick might seem simple, but there are a few tricks that can take your lip game to the next level. First, make sure your lips are exfoliated and moisturized. This will create a smooth canvas for your lipstick. Then, use a lip liner to define your lips and prevent your lipstick from bleeding. You can match your lip liner to your lipstick shade, or go for a slightly darker shade for a more dramatic look. Now, for the main event, lipstick. Apply your lipstick starting from the center of your lips and working your way out. And don't forget to blot. This will help to remove any excess lipstick and make it last longer. Okay, my makeup mavens, we're almost done. The final step is to set your makeup. This is crucial, especially if you want your makeup to last all day long. Setting spray is like hairspray for your face. It keeps everything in place. Hold the bottle about arm's length away from your face and mist it all over. And don't be afraid to be generous. Setting spray not only helps your makeup last longer, but it also helps to melt all the products together, giving you a flawless finish. And there you have it, my loves. Those are my top makeup hacks for beginners. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Makeup is all about expressing yourself and having fun. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And be sure to let me know in the comments what other makeup tutorials you'd like to see. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.